Let's learn in this video how we can install and re-enable Ublock Origin back on Chrome. Firstly, go to Chrome settings and then go to About Chrome from the left. Make sure that your Chrome is up to date. Once it's been updated, go to the link in description. You will be brought to the Ublock Origin repository by Gorhill on GitHub. Scroll down on this page and we're gonna come to Assets section and click on this topmost file, ublock chromium.zip. I have this file already on my desktop and it's here, ublock chromium.zip. We're gonna extract this file since it's in zip form, extract. And here is the extracted folder. We're gonna come back to this folder later. Go back to Chrome, open new tab, and we're gonna write in here Chrome flags, just like this, Chrome flags, and go here. Now we're gonna search in here flag on expire, and these two here, temporarily on expire yum143 flags and yum144 flags. These are on default, just enable them. Enabled. Once you have enabled, you'll get the relaunch button at the bottom right side. Click on relaunch. Once it's done, you're gonna need one code. This code here, I have this saved on my online notepad. Anyway, this code is available in the description. Just go and copy this code from the description. Close Chrome. Now you're gonna need the shortcut of Chrome on the desktop. So right click on the Chrome shortcut and we're gonna go to properties. Now we're gonna come here to target and go to the end like this and give one space and then paste the code. Control V. Once it's done, you're gonna click on apply here and then click on OK. Now launch Chrome once again. Now we are on the last part. Click on the extensions button here at the top and go to manage extensions. Make sure that the developer mode is turned on here. Come to left side, click on load unpacked, and we're gonna locate the file that is ublock chromium on the desktop right here, and select this folder and click on select folder. Now as you can see, Ublock Origin has been successfully loaded and is totally functional. Click on the extensions button here at the top and find the Ublock Origin and pin it. Now we have the fully functional Ublock Origin. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.